Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Randacia, or Randy for short, and for those of you who are new, let me catch you up really quick. I'm gonna link the playlist up at the top. I am currently doing a office makeover, and this video is connected to that. For those of you who have been following me, let me explain what you are looking at. So this is the closet underneath my stairs. Before I even moved in, I knew that I wanted this to be my home decor closet. So I wanted this closet to look like a TJ Maxx or a Marshall's, where basically everything was on the shelves. It was neat and I could find everything. So back in September 2020, hubby put up some shelves in his closet for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and organize the closet so that I can find everything. And this is related to my office makeover because you guys know that I am doing it on a budget, and my budget is for all of my furniture, all of the new furniture that I'm trying to put in the office. And I want to shop this closet for all of the knickknacks to decorate the office as much as possible. So that's why I'm including this video now. Hey guys, so this is how the closet turned out. I'm just giving you a pan of what everything looks like. I put everything out on the shelves, and then at the bottom in the totes, I put in my seasonal decor. So I'll put like Halloween and fall in one tote. I put like birthday supplies and anything that I may need throughout the year. I put it in another tote, and as you can see, like I have pillowcases and everything like that. So this closet came out really well, and I don't think I said it earlier, but I did go ahead and organize this closet back in September 2020, but I never caught the ending footage because initially I wasn't going to post it. But since I'm going to be pulling from this closet so much for my office makeover, I just thought I'd show you guys how it looks now, and just finish up the video that I started and show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if it feels right, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.